YouTube. Welcome to RSA Passive Income Academy. Today we'll be doing analysis looking at the week of the 3rd until the 9th. First pair that we'll be doing analysis on, it's USD JPY, which is US dollar, Japanese yen. From last week, just to recap on last week, you can see I didn't take any trade from last week. So this week, starting with the analysis, as you know, I just start with market flow, where the price form, price flow, price ceilings, price flow, price ceilings, price flow, right? Then after price flow and price ceiling, as the market flows, it leaves the price clutters. You can see from 2 weeks back, this price cluster was never tested or broken, and this price clutter here tested many a time and broken many a time, and this price clutter here same tested many a time, broken many a time, to the upside, to the downside momentum, right? And this last price clutter was tested on Thursday. So after the market flow forms these price clutters, then the next thing is to look for collecting zone and the dumping zone. As you can see, there's a collecting zone here, there's a dumping zone from previous week, which was never been broken, but it was tested. And tried to took this trade, but it didn't play out as I was expecting. So this upcoming week, so what I'm waiting for on this pair with price price being testing this collecting zone, never tested the dumping zone on the upside. I'd expect the price again to continue with upward movement to come and break this price clutter here and remain on this construction zone, within the construction zone, for a price to form a depreciation level. Then I will be looking for short, right? That's what I will be looking for. But for longs, I'll be waiting for a price to form another price ceiling. Once another price ceiling is formed, I'll be waiting for a price to correct to the downside, forming the appreciation level. Once this construction level has been broken, and the momentum is to the upside, and it's clear that it's a trending up market pair, so I'll be waiting for entry to the upside, waiting for, of course, for this price to break this dumping zone. All right, so that's what I will be waiting for next week. So just a reminder, this is just my entry model that I use. I trade a whole system, which it is 20% tactical and 80% fundamental. Tactical, it consists of the forecast, then the statistic analysis, which where I look at the mean, the mode, the median, standard deviation, the skewed deviation, and I look at the beta, I look at the gamma, and from there I take those numbers and I make them as key points, key level, the price that will reverse or retest before it change the momentum. Then I look at the fundamental analysis after entry model, of course, which I have discussed here. With the fundamental is where I look at the fiscal part of fundamental, where, of course, if you followed the news last week, the government in USA, they imposed tariff on Mexico, Canada, and then looking at expanding this tariff to the other countries, and that's why you saw this last move into this pair, because of what the president have announced, or the president administration what have announced in a United States. And you can see from here on Tuesday, the market was already the market was already taking in all the fundamental about interest rate decision by Fed, and as expected, the Fed came in and made interest rate unchanged, like I explained last week. So it remained unchanged, and that's why you saw this. Sorry, you saw this move on Monday, which already priced in the decision. And when the decision was made on somewhere on Wednesday, it went up, and it did the opposite, which most of the traders got their stop loss triggered because of those news that was already weighed in within the price market, right? So bigger news, it's next week, FOMC, and we are looking also at PP, or manufacturing price, and we're also looking at inflation data that will be contributing in the momentum shift of the price. Other than that, if you have any question, please leave your comments on the comment section, or leave your thumbs like button, press it for algorithm of this channel in order to improve the numbers of this channel. Other than that, traders, let us trade, let us make money.